Hello, I'm Erika.
I'm Andrew Larson.
My name is Tommaso Morati.
My name is Sabrina. Hello, I'm Mara.
My name is Jonathan Taylor and I am working on the John Lennon tour bus.
I saw the bus, I heard many good things about the bus, and I can't wait to try it out.
All the technology in here just makes me feel like I'm in the future.
It has been amazing for me to try this.
I couldn't wait to get in there, see the software, see what we were dealing with.
A top studio.
The Lennon Bus showed me how easy it's to create with Adobe's Creative Cloud.
So yeah, I use it mostly Photoshop because I had layers and I had, Photoshop, I really like the layers, but I use Illustrator to kind of mock it up.
I've learned how to use Photoshop with a professional camera.
I did the photo for Lennon Bus.
Generally, I would just make a sketch and then I would go on Photoshop and recreate it.
So I learned how to take photos and edit them.
Adobe's really helpful to me, so I can spread peace through my images, through my games, whatever I do,
Bringing a lot of people together and what they think.
I feel honored, really, to be able to do this.
Was wonderful, very wonderful.
Honestly, I feel privileged to be part of such a cool group of people.
Me personally, I love technology. I just love seeing how things work.
It was a beautiful experience.
But when I saw it, I knew automatically that I wanted to be a part of this.
Thank you so much.
Imagine peace.
Imagine peace.
Imagine peace.
Have fun.